Welcome back. Well, viewers, in a shocking attack, two trainee army officers and their female companions were assaulted by armed attackers in Indore of Madhya Pradesh. The two trainee officers were out with their female companions when they were surrounded by men wielding pistols and knives. They assaulted the army soldiers and the women and stole their belongings, and then took one trainee officer and women hostage, demanding a ransom of 10 lakh rupees. While the other soldier went for help, they then assaulted and raped the woman, held hostage, and then fled when the police arrived at the spot. The police officials have now arrested 2 people, while 4 accused are still absconding.
ये जो घटना हुई है सर, इसमें रेप का भी चार्ज लगा है क्या?
उसने लगाया है, रेप का चार्ज लगाया है। हालांकि वो विक्टिम ये एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा है।
अच्छा।
विक्टिम ने उसको अभी स्टेटमेंट भी देने से मना किया होगा।
अच्छा।
स्टेटमेंट नहीं दिया उन्होंने।
अच्छा।
एक्चुअली जब तक विक्टिम कंफर्मेशन नहीं करेगा तब तक हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसमें।
अच्छा, तो फिर कैसे धारा जोड़ी गई जब विक्टिम एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे? तो
जो उसके साथ था ऑफिसर,
अच्छा, उनका बोलना है कि
मुझे आशंका है कि मेरे पार्टनर के साथ में इन्होंने साइड में, क्योंकि अलग अलग रखा था दोनों को,
अच्छा,
नहीं रखे थे।
ओके।
तो मुझे आशंका है कि इन्होंने मेरे फ्रेंड के साथ में गलत किया है।
ओके। तो अभी जांच में कुछ निकल के आया सर? कितने लोग अरेस्ट हुए हैं और कितना?
2 लोग अभी हम लोगों ने अरेस्ट किए हैं और 4 लोगों को और अभी हम लोग तलाश कर रहे हैं। सभी लोग आइडेंटिफाई हुए हैं।
And now politics over the brutal attack has ensued, with Rahul Gandhi claiming that law and order in the state is almost non-existent. The leader of opposition stated that the incident reflects the total failure of the administration and questioned till when will the BJP turn a blind eye to its responsibilities. Countering the charges, the BJP has said that law and order cannot be judged based on one incident and assured strict action will be taken against the guilty.
यदि इस तरह की कोई भी घटना है तो दोषी को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। हमारी सरकार ने पहले से ही सख्त कानून से इस तरह की समस्या के निदान का पूरा व्यवस्था की है। यदि जो भी दोषी उन पर कार्रवाई होगी, सख्त कार्रवाई होगी और किसी को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। बिना किसी तथ्य के इस तरह के आरोप निराधार हैं। किसी एक घटना को लेकर हम संपूर्ण कानून व्यवस्था की बात करें, ठीक नहीं है। जो भी घटनाएं संज्ञान में आई हैं उन पर त्वरित कार्रवाई हुई है। पुलिस ने मुस्तैदी के साथ कार्रवाई की है और घटना की पुनरावृत्ति ना उसके भी पूरे प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं।
Let's go across to my colleague Govind joining us on the broadcast with the details. Govind, this is an extremely shocking incident. What are the details on the action that has been taken? We're told 2 people have been arrested. What are the details?
Yeah, undoubtedly it's shocking. In fact, you know that few days ago in Ujjain, a lady was raped, in fact, on the footpath in broad daylight, and action was taken strictly in that one. But no one has taken any lesson. In fact, nearby city of Ujjain, now in Indore, in fact, in Mau area, that is the Kant area, where 2 army personals, in fact, trainee army personals were targeted with along with their female friends. In fact, that is why Rahul Gandhi is also attacking that in BJP ruling states this kind of crimes against women are occurring. In fact, that is why PCC chief of Madhya Pradesh, Jitu Patwari, also claimed that Madhya Pradesh has become the capital of crime against women, and you know that lots of ammunition Congress party is having this time to attack on the present government of Madhya Pradesh, because it's really surprising that even those who are related to the army department, the trainee officers, but were not only misbehaved, they were looted and rape. In fact, also the charges has been included in the FIR that rape was also allegedly conducted there, in fact, in that lonely area of Mau cantonment area. So that is somewhat surprising, but definitely many are just reacting and posting their anger on the social media, including Rahul Gandhi posted and claim that this is what happening there in BJP ruling states, and here we definitely this whole matter is under investigation. Still the statements of these female friends of trainee army officers are being recorded by the police, and police is saying that this whole matter under investigation, and after thorough investigation the action will be taken strictly. 2 have been arrested so far, 4 accused are still absconding, so definitely police is not only investigating this whole case of loot and rape in fact, and but also in searching of those remaining 4 accused who are involved in this heinous crime.
Okay, all right. But Govind, the politics around it also peaking. We have the leader of the opposition who has also raised the issue and also raised a few other incidents as well, questioning the law and order in the state.
Yeah, it's obvious, in fact, when there was a similar kind of case, in fact, the lady was raped on, but that was bizarre that a lady was raped on footpath in broad daylight, and even in the constituency of CM Mohan Yadav. So that was somewhat unbelievable and biggest shocker, in fact. And repeatedly, a few days after this incident happens, where 2 army personnel, trainee personals, female friends are misbehaved, and one of them raped. In fact, police has accepted that yes, they have included the charge of rape also in their FIR, registered on the basis of one of the army trainee army personal's statements, and now police is just investigating this whole incidents, and definitely in Madhya Pradesh the government is also being targeted by the opposition here in Madhya Pradesh, because one after other the crime against women occurring there in Madhya Pradesh, then definitely it's obvious that opposition will attack on the Congress on the state government of Madhya Pradesh. So that is not the good sign for the newly elected CM of Madhya Pradesh, Mohan Yadav.
It's concerning that such incidents have been reported. Strict action needs to be taken. You mentioned that arrests have been made, but strict action needs to be ensured. Govind, thank you for joining us with those details. In fact, the police officials also spoke about the details of the case. Listen in.
इस पूरी घटना को पुलिस ने बहुत ही गंभीरता से लेते हुए, जैसी पुलिस को सूचना मिली, प्रथम सूचना मिली, 10 मिनट के अंदर पुलिस वहां पर पूरी टीम पहुंच गई थी। एडिशनल एसपी, एसडीओपी और हमारे थाने के भी 3-4 पीआईज वहां पर पहुंच गए थे। पुलिस ने इसको बहुत ही गंभीरता से लेते हुए पूरे केस का पर्दाफाश किया है, जिसमें 6 आरोपी हैं टोटल, और सभी का नाम पुलिस को पता लग चुका है। 2 इसमें हिरासत में भी ले लिए हैं पुलिस ने, और बाकी के भी पूरा सर्चिंग ऑपरेशन देर रात से अभी तक चल रहा है। ये इसमें लूट, डकैती और रेप की धारा लगी है।
On that note, we are slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.